You can call me Renol. I'm from class 11B. So, I explain about rotatory exposition text. Definition of rotatory exposition. Rotatory exposition text is a type of text that is used to convince or uh, encourage readers or listeners to do something or take certain action. This takes aims to influence the thoughts and attitudes of others through strong and logical arguments. Hortatory exposition texts can be academic speeches, editorials, articles, articles, um, scientific journal, and advertisements. However, in making hortatory exposition text, it must be uh, accompanied by logical arguments. Function of hortatory exposition text. The function of this text is to convince uh, others of a certain opinion or action by using relevant fact, data, and information. Hortatory exposition also provides information that supports that argument present. In addition, hortatory texts also aim to encourage readers or listeners to take certain actions by providing recommendation or invitation support by persuasive arguments. Hortatory exposition can influence the views and attitudes of others. But hortatory exposition texts do not force the reader. In a hortatory exposition text, the reader is invited to analyze the argument present and evaluate their strengths, uh, weakness. This text is also commonly used used as a means to promote positive social change. Hortatory exposition text formula or structure. The structure of a hortatory exposition usually consists of three main parts, namely introduction, uh, arguments, and conclusion or recommendation. One, introducing or thesis. In this initial section, you should introduce the topic or problem that will be discussed. This introducing aims to attract the attention of the reader or listener and make them interested in continuing to read or listen to the text. In addition, this section also present the other statement of opinion or position regarding the topic being discussed. This statement of opinion becomes the main focus of the text and is the basis for organizing the arguments that will be present next. Usually, the reason why this topic needs to be discussed is also included in the introduction or thesis section. Uh, the two uh, the argument section of the hortatory exposition contains arguments that support that uh, uh, you others' statement of opinion and why certain actions should be taken. These arguments are present as in fact, data, logic, and sound reasoning. Each argument is usually given in the separate paragraph with the strongest arguments present first. This section actually also explained why the solution override over make sense or is uh, beneficial to the many people involved with. Three recommendation. The final part of the hortatory exposition close with a recommendation or uh, invitation to the reader. This part invites the reader to take action or change their attitude according to the statement or of opinion that has been conveyed. Then the recommendation can include uh, appeals and the importance of considering the arguments that have been uh, previously mentioned. The hope is that the reader can be influenced uh, and take action of the problem and the recommended solution over. Characteristic and language feature of hortatory exposition text. In writing hortatory exposition text, you must fulfill that the linguistic rules that consist of the following components. The writing focus on the right and use uh, the first person point of view. The reader one using abstract nouns, culture, courage, hope, policy, and vintage. Using action verb ask, tell, urge, implement. Three, using thinking verb reflect, consider, evaluate, analyze. The four, using modal adverb. So really, certainly, definitely, clearly. The five, using temporal, uh, connectives. First three, secondly, thirdly. Uh, the six, using evalu- uh, evaluative words. Uh, effective, efficient, trustworthy, uh, value, uh, valuable. The seven, using simple tense, and the eight, using passive voice.